You like it? Chop, chop, chop. You like it? Okay. Kitty. Careful, eh? Where's your mother now?
I don't know.
You don't know? Hey, where's your mother now, eh? I can't do this on my own. Come on, eh? Come. Come, eat. Drink tea. Come. Goodness! You messed up your screen. Where is Udrak? I'm coming. Udrak! Udrak! Hey! Udrak! 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 Madam! Madam, what are you doing here? Madam, the boat needs to eat. They want to eat food. They are there. Where is the money you took from my room? 20,000. Madam, which money? Where is the money you took from my room? The money! Give it back!
The money.
I didn't take any
Oh,
money.
you didn't take it. Don't worry, by the time I finish with you, you will confess. Where did you take the money?
I didn't carry any money. I didn't carry any money.
I see.
I didn't carry any money. Don't make me.
Just stay out of this. Sweetheart, stay out of this, okay? If torturing her is the only way I'll make her confess when she needs the money, so shall it be.
And you
Madam, I didn't carry any money.
Look at her, a common thief. I brought you into this house to serve me. And I pay you very well for serving me. And all you could do is turn around and steal my money? Rob me?
Yeah, Madam, talk to me.
Madam, I didn't carry any money. I didn't carry any money. Madam, I didn't carry any money.
Oh, stop that rubbish. Tell us where the money is.
Did you hear that? Did you hear her?
I didn't carry any money, madam. I didn't carry any money. I didn't carry any money.
There's no need to log you in the house. First thing tomorrow morning, you out of my house. Period.
Okami. Madam, Togo, I didn't carry any money.
Madam, you don't bring out the money. Bring it out. You're such a fool.
Madam, it's not true. It's not true. I didn't carry any money.
I'm disappointed at you. I'm so disappointed
Madam,
at you.
please, forgive me. Madam, I didn't carry any money. I didn't carry any money. Madam, please. I didn't carry any money. I didn't carry any money.
You are stupidity. You are not well at all. Because right now I just come in here, I ask you question, you will insult my generation. You calling my ancestors, they're calling you. They're calling you. What is your problem? I don't want to have problem with you. Don't come in here and look for my trouble anyhow, because if I give it to you, you cannot take it back.
You are not ashamed of yourself. Common English, you cannot speak.
Did I not speak English now? Oh, you could have called English. That is by the way. Let me tell you, if you mistakenly call my ancestors again, calling their name anyhow, insulting me, I will teach you lesson. If I teach you that lesson, you cannot learn it. If I teach you that lesson, you cannot learn it. Try it again.
Teri, why will you come to my mother's house and collect our truck? Is it your own? Is it for you?
You are stupidity. Before I go your house, I go collect truck before. Today is not the first thing day I am collecting truck. Why you come make problem today? Because you want to find Teri trouble. Okay, that's why you're coming here to Wakashtaro Lukobaka. Before I know they go there, I carry it before. I carry it before always. I come there, Mama, I know see. You, I know see. I carry truck. Now I fetch water, finish, I drop water. I'm going to drop your truck. And you're coming here, you're insulting me, insulting everybody, including my spirit. Dysons. See, me and you. Don't try me, oh. Don't try me, oh. If it is nonsense that it is worrying you, go and pack it one side. Because if you try me today, you will regretting it.
Me? Trouble? You are a thief! Eh? Criminal!
Hey! What you're speaking now? No! What did you just talking right now? Mama! Thief! Teri Teri! If you say, shut up! If you say it again, Mama go la, it's for half again. Thief again.
Hey! Criminal!
You stole it! You insulting me! Insulting me! See, next time, Teresa, you are seeing Teresa. Shut up. Next time, you are seeing Teresa. You are respecting Teresa. You are Sebako. Sebako, idiot. Don't worry. Sebako. Don't worry. I will stay with you. Come on, run in your mouth. If I don't kill you today, you know my name is not Teri Teri in this village. You are very stupidity. You are nonsense. You come in here, you talking to me anyhow, as if I'm getting no sense. Come and try it again. Idiot. Try you coming back here next time and insulting me. I will teaching you a lesson. Look at Onuku talking to me about English. In my primary school, I took in first position. Primary school, nursery school, I took in first position. You are talking nonsense.
Calm down. Please, I'm begging you. I'm begging you to calm down, please. Wait to Obi. Biko, why are you mad? Biko.
How can you tell me to calm down? How can I calm down when you're stupid and white that I always see my mother converted and you're telling me to calm down?
Whatever. Don't you ever calling me stupid. Don't you do it. As you see me, my sense is very complete. Don't you ever calling me stupid, girl. Did you asking your daughter what she do? Did you asking her?
Teri?
Mama,
who invited you here?
Mama.
Get inside.
Mama. I'm not going inside. This stupidity girl is insulting me. You know what she's telling me? Or you thinking I just come and fight? No, Mama, I don't do like that. I have consciousness. I cannot come and fight like that. She's looking for my trouble. That's why I beat her blood.
What did she do that you almost remove her tooth? What did she do?
Oh, Chelo. Was that what you told her? That I removed your teeth? You still have teeth to talk, no problem. You see, next time, I will remove your eyes, remove your legs, remove your waist, everything. This stupid girl that I go to your house every time I go, I bolo, I return. I return. Today I go, I bolo. I did not see anybody in their house. I said, knock, I did not see anybody. I just carry balo. I come back here, I drop water to take balo back to them. I chop balo. I thief balo. Did I thief the balo? I did not thief it. To taking it back to them and she's here, she insults me, she insults my ancestors. All the spirits that is in this house, she call all of them, she insults them together. And you're telling me to leave in her. See, that one I beat you today is part one. I will beating you another one, except you respect yourself.
Are you not a thief? What is the difference between you and the thief? You get to my house. You get to my house. You want to beat her? Let me teach her a little lesson. Allow her, let her come out. Let her come out, let me teach her a little lesson. Come out. Teri, let her come out. Get inside now. Thank you. Go inside.
Thank you.
You dare me. Come out. I will teach you a lesson today. Come out. Thank you now. Allow her, let her come out. Me, Egodi. I will teach her a lesson. She will never forget.
Calm down.
Hey,
Egodi. Egodi.
Stop her. Please. Me, Egodi, you beat my own.
I am begging you.
Hey.
Whatever you spent in taking care of your daughter, I am going to pay you back. Please. I am begging you.
You're telling me to calm down. Let's go.
Hey, you have a mouth to talk talking. Nothing with you.
Teri, oh, 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 Teri, oh. Somebody want killing Teri, somebody want.
Mama, lingo. Mama, I just coming back from Palace.
And what did Igwe say?
Igwe is talking something I don't understand, Mento. He's saying that I go and bring in foul because I fight.
Good. Are you surprised? You are aware of the fine for fighting in this village, yet you went ahead and fought. Go and settle them.
Mama, so you are supportless with what Igwe is saying, Okwia? You are supportless with what Igwe is saying. I looking for their trouble. Is she not the one who is bringing her own trouble to me and I giving her my own trouble back? I looking for her trouble.
Will you shut up? I knew how much I have spent on Ngosi's treatment. The money we're supposed to use and take care of ourselves in this house. We're supposed to use the money for feeding. Because I use it in settling your troubles. Why are you treating me like this?
Mama,
Teri saying
Mama, I cannot stay on my own and somebody will call in trouble and come and I will not give my own trouble. Inside this thing, let me tell you something. You see, inside this thing, I did not do anything wrong. I did not do anything wrong because no natural moku. Okay, now they are telling me to go and bring in foul because I beat her more. If she's beating me more, they are not asking foul. Foul. Is it nice? Is it nice? Who is bringing foul for her?
that is your business. Go and look for money and give them foul. Do you hear me? I am not going to contribute a dime to this trouble.
Because right now I work in nothing. There is no place I can go and get money. And you are telling me I go bring money and give them. I have to go and theft somebody's things.
That is not my business. However you are going to get the money, go and get it. My 1 naira will not enter this matter.
Okay. No problem. No, you want me to go and thief it. Today I fighting your complaint. If I thief it, don't complain. No. Because now you cannot give me money. I can go and thief it anywhere. I will thief it, no. I will go to people's house. I will thief it anything I see there. I thief it, I sell it, I sell it to you. This is not supporting.
Shut up! I said, shut up your mouth. Are you clear to listen to me?
Sir?
I know both of you are friends.
Hey!
Yes. I'm not accusing you. Okay? Just listen to it. You can't argue with your friends, I know. But you see, she is leaving this house today. And the moment she leaves, henceforth, I don't want to see her around this vicinity. Okay. If I set my eyes on her, Cletus.
Take this thing out of my house this minute.
Move before I move you!
Mom, take my
See? Move on!
Cletus, take her out of this house.
Both of them are very rich.
I don't move! Move!
Mimi and giving her breakfast.
What are you talking about?
I want to drop on my way to work. It's almost 7:30.
You didn't ask me to beat her. Besides, I thought you were going to take care of that.
Are you serious? You mean you've been here? You know what, sweetheart? You drop her at school yourself. Thank you.
Well, you can see I'm busy. I have an online seminar to attend to, and it's something I wouldn't want to miss.
And I have a job that demands my punctuality. It's almost 7:30. No further questions, sweetheart. I'm off.
Are you kidding me? You possibly can't leave me and the kids at home. Come on, girl.
Sweetie, prepare her for school. She's equally your child. Love you. Take care. Bye.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, Cletus. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Hey. How many times will I tell you? It's not Oga Lobby. It's Mr. Robinson. Now you say after me, Mr. Robinson.
Oga Robinson.
Okay, whatever. It's okay. It's okay.
Oga, wait. Cho. He don't red, though. Oga, he don't red. He don't red.
Oh, wait a minute. What are you doing with the sachets of water? Instead of you to open the gates for me, how can't you see that Minnie's late for school already?
Oga, it is I want to come back. He doesn't say Mimi. I want to come and watch the soap when they are here now. Yeah. See, yeah, soap.
Oh. My bad. I didn't see that. Anyways, let me have the water, okay? I can do that myself. Go get it. Go.
Oga Robbie, be like say today na bag school free day or school bag free day.
How do you mean?
Mimi no carry school bag, he no carry anything.
Oh. My God. I forgot that as well. It's all good. Thank you. Oh, Mr. Cletus, please tell me. What else does she need to go to school, please?
I want to know now. He not resemble me, I not resemble her. Now me being Papa.
Will you shut up your mouth?
Sorry, sir.
Look at this idiot. Oh, sorry. Does my daughter look like you?
No.
As ugly as you look. Oh, shut up and get inside. Go get a school bag for me. You look like an imbecile.
Thank you, sir.
Promise you not to late for school tomorrow, okay?
Dad, what's a 1, 2 black?
Auntie Black is not the right answer for you. Okay? All you have now is me and your mother. And I promise we are going to take good care of you, okay? So my girl, are you happy? Give that here. That's my girl. Okay, wait. No. Sorry.
And here comes a jolly good fella. Oh, what is that? The very serious Chief Security Officer, Axwell for conversation. Oh, yeah. For this house, why they tell you, not only we sing, none of the love. Somebody want kill English, somebody want finish English, I kill English, Teri don't hammer English, I see the visa he don't pass here, I bet you touch your head, somebody don't speak English, don't make a body sing for this one,
Teri, the troublemaker.
It's again.
Yes, you are the troublemaker.
Stopping it.
You know, stopping it.
Is this how you're greeting me now, or you're insulting me?
Who is greeting you? The Igbo is waiting for you for the fowl he asked you for. Mike Tassin, Onuku.
Eh?
Yes.
Hey, Teri. So it is a me that you're calling Onuku? It is a me that you're calling Onuku?
Yes.
Hey. Go thanking your gods, because Igwe already say nobody fighting in this village. If you're fighting, you're paying money. If not, we'll take money. If not, next time you're seeing me, you're giving me so much respect that you're supposed to give it to me.
Ewu. Look at you. All you know is how to fight. Miss Fighter. Ordinary wire you can't pass.
Who are miserable? Who are miserable? You're looking for my trouble. You are looking for my trouble, oh. It's not because he was saying that nobody is fighting in this village. That is why I'm keeping quiet. And now you're wanting to taking it as an advantagement. To taking it and insult me. But I will not allow you. If you insult me again, it's your mom.
Are you making it? Can you do anything? Can you and your poor miserable mother afford ordinary fowl?
You are the fowl, and I can afford you now. I must afford you now. You're calling my mother miserable. I can afford you now. I can afford you. I can afford you. Am I not affording you? Yeah, but am I not affording you? Next time you're giving me my village. Gambia. Every time I stay in this village, I say Teri Teri. I am not fighting, they no go let me. Every time they are looking for my trouble. So bad. If you are looking for my trouble, I fighting every day. You're calling my mother. Your own miserable man, and you don't know it. You're calling another person mother. Let me catch you another day and say good morning.
Who cannot kill me in this house? Teri, fetch water. Teri, firewood. Teri, machete the grass. Teri, just walk this one small. I'm going to rest him.
Okay, sir. Can the stupid girl that beat up my daughter?
Mama!
Arrest her!
Mama!
Arrest
Mama!
her. That is her.
My mama is around it. What is going on here?
Is it not
After her! Don't allow her to escape!
Is it not your stupid daughter that beat up my daughter? Eh? She had the effrontery, the guts to beat my daughter. I swear, I will deal with her this afternoon.
Nine, please calm down. Nine, this is too much. You shouldn't have gone this far. Bringing police to this case. Nine, please.
No, it's not too much. I must make her to suffer. Eh? Oh.
Nine, please calm down. Calm down. She's just a little girl. Eh? We can settle this without the police. Biko.
Settle what? Eh? Settle what without the police? Look at my daughter's teeth. Scattered and just swollen. And you are telling me to you will settle that. I heard about how she used to beat up people's daughter and nothing happens. It will not be so in my own. Eh? I will tell her I'm the liar. Eh? I will tell her why I'm the liar.
Where is she?
She has escaped.
What?
Huh?
Nine, please. I'm begging you. Officer, please.
Hey.
Officer. I'm begging you. Nine. Biko, please.
Officer, I will move straight to Igwe Palace and make my report. Eh? When I come back here, I will teach her if I go to Igwe. I will teach her why I'm the lion. Eh? Let's go. Come.
Better warn your daughter.
I will.
Mimi, I don't understand this your cry, oh. Eh? Wait. They flog you for school. They thief your book. Why you gonna cry now? Your cry they won't make me cry, oh. Eh? You they hungry? Oh? Hey. And the other when I buy, it don't finish, and you know we come back, but I get plan B, plan B option there. Wait. Yeah, open your hand. Chop am. Chop am. Yeah. You go hold your belly. No, they waste time, no. It's expensive. No, they waste time. Chop am. So that your belly will not do something they come. Chop am. I don't believe now. Like say your woman don't come. Loco.
Moro is welcome back.
Okay. So far there is a call.
Sweetheart, I'm so sorry. It's okay. I'm here. What are you eating? Goodness. Who gave you this? Cletus!
Ma?
Come here. Who gave this to my daughter?
Okay! Madam! Not this small thing I see today. Mimi come back. He come dey cry. Now ask him. They flog you for school. He say no. They thief your book. He say no. He say he dey hungry. And I don't chop the plantain when they for that small box. So I can't do option B. Can't give am bankan. Make them obey.
Come closer. How dare you? How dare you give such a thing to my daughter to eat? Do you want her to choke?
Madam, now wait here they chop for village when at their age. That make me strong now.
You're very stupid. Does she look like a village girl? Does she look bush to you? Idiot. Never mind, I'll deal with you later.
Wait oh! Hey! If you go deal with me, no problem. But first, you see say, she need food. I need food. I beg. Or you go bring a dog back. Or anybody where go they give us food. Madam, you know sir, I get us. I get us.
I don't blame you. I'm now your cook, isn't it? Idiot. Don't worry, I'll deal with you. Let me feed my child first. Sorry, okay?
Madam, you won't feed your child. Me, I'm the best child. Who will come feed me? I say when I apply for oil company to guide oil, they take me. I'm going to guide this house. I don't blame you. It is easy to guide this big house. If I die for you, problem.
Somebody want kill English. Teri Teri. Somebody want finish English. Teri Teri. I Teri kill English. Teri Teri. Teri don't hammer English. Teri Teri. I see the missile don't pass here. Teri Teri. I beg you, touch your head. Teri Teri.
Mama Lingo. Where are you going to? If you know wherever you are coming from, go back to that place. Go back to that place now!
Mama, if it is joking, you're joking. You're stopping it now. How can I go in back where I'm coming from? This is my mothering house.
Do I look like I'm joking? Go back to wherever you're coming from.
Going to where? Going to where? Where are you wanting me to go to?
Let me just tell you something. Go and look for money to buy fowl for Igwe.
Hey, money pa. Mama, you know Teri Teri is not working. Teri Teri is not having money. Where are you getting money to give to Igwe?
Go and look for money to buy fowl to settle this fight that you just fought.
They're asking fowl?
Yes, Igwe sent his guards to collect 3 good fowls from you. Miss Fight, go and settle what you started.
Chineke, hey! Teri Teri fuck, go up. Igwe sending them to come and collect 3 fowl while I beating 1 fowl beating. So bad, Mama, that's your fowl there. We're taking it to Igwe to settle everything.
Listen, any day I come back and start looking for that fowl, if anything happened to any of my fowl, what I will do to you will not give your life.
Where I getting money for fowl now? Where I getting money for fowl? I don't have anything I do. Teri Teri no work, Teri Teri no do anything. I thief.
Go and look for money and settle your mess.
No problem. Let me go inside and looking for something to do.
Don't try it. Ha! Get out of here now.
Mama, you're wanting me to go and commit adultery and it is not good. You're looking for a young girl like me, fine girl, you're asking me to go out. You're exposing me to temptation. How you want me to go and get money? I follow man. Okay, no problem. If you want me to go and follow man and commit adultery, mama, you will not like it though. A man like kwayo.
If you like, commit adultery. If you like, commit akunakuna or baorego. It's none of my business. Go and look for money. That's what I said.
No problem. Since you have given me the certificate,
I will wound you.
Oh, okay, no problem. I'm going to look money, but for now, can I go doing the Opo? It's worrying me in my stomach. My stomach is doing push. Let me go and eat something.
I will wound you. Get out of here now. Mama, I'm not stepping your feet into this house until you go and settle with Igwe.
Hey, Mama, you're my mother-in-law, yeah? And my father, he died since he's my father. I know when my father married you to come this house. This house was already here before they married you to come from your father's house. So this is my father's house.
Somebody want finish English. Teri Teri, I Teri kill English. Teri Teri, Teri don't hammer English. Teri Teri, I see the visa he don't pass.
Stop it, stay off me.
Meaning?
Meaning, I am not in the mood.
Sweetie, how can you say you're not in the mood? We were busy. It's only nights we have to.
No, Tracy, listen to me. Seriously. I don't understand what is happening in our marriage. I don't understand. I mean, to me, it seems you not devote more time to your job than your family or child.
Really?
Oh, yes, of course.
Discuss this tonight.
It's not funny to me anymore. It's not funny anymore, okay? That I will wake up in the morning and dress me for school with you, the mother, sitting there for what?
And how is that a crime? Is that a crime for a father to take care of a child?
You asking that question? Tell me, who's the mother? For crying out loud, you are the mother, and it's your duty to take care of her. Besides, you know I'm a very busy man.
Same here. You know I'm expected to be at the office latest 7:30 in the morning, and you know you're aware of it. Please.
I see. So you are working with your daughter growing up without knowing much about the mother, while you're out there attending to some stupid job.
Whoa. Take it easy. You just called my job stupid.
It's stupid! Yes, it is!
Sweetheart, the job needs my punctuality. Understand? And I offer to be driving her to school while you prepare her. Division of labor.
Oh, I see. You are wrong there, okay? You are a mother, you will bathe her, you will dress her for school, you will fill her breakfast, and you take her to school. Period!
You know what? I'm not ready for this right now. I don't have time for this. Like I said, it is not a crime for a father to take care of her child. Listen, sweetheart, don't even fritter your breath on this because I've shared it. Do your part or stop complaining. Good night.
Oh, you can't be serious. You're telling me you've done it. What's wrong with you? Huh?
Mama Lingo, there is something I want to tell you. I want to live in this village and go into the city.
What do you say?
I want to go into the city. I want to go in there to looking for something to do. I cannot come in here and stay in here like this. Check any and all the bad. I have to go into the city.
Is it because of the fowl that Igwe asked you to do?
It is not eating. It is not eating. I want to go into the city to go and looking for greener pasture.
Who do you know in the city that you want to stay with?
I'm knowing plenty people, but I want to go to Auntie Joy's house.
Hi! It's over my dead body. You know what Joy does in Onisha?
Mama,
she is a prostitute.
Yeah, Mama. It is only a hearing say. You're hearing from people, you're saying. You are not sure she's doing kwalangida in the city.
Hi! My dear, you can go to any other city, but not Onisha. I cannot risk you. I know you're stubborn, but I cannot risk you going there to join prostitution.
Hey, Mama. But you're sending me before to go looking for money for farm.
No, you cannot. No, don't go again.
Okay, Ma Bazna. I had to go and looking for greener pasture.
Don't worry. If it's the fowl that Igwe asked you to bring, I'm going to provide it.
Bring it not. Mama, bring the money not because when I telling you to giving me the money, it's some mamba. Kita I want to go to the city. Can you show my greener pasture? It's them giving him the money. Bring it not. I am going to the city.
I will give you money.
Mama, I am going to the city.
Come, wait.
Mama, bring it not.
You are not going to that city.
Wow. Good morning, my angel. How are you? I can see you're all dressed for school. Good. Okay, I'm in a hurry now. Mommy will drop you off, okay?
Okay, Dad. Goodbye, Dad.
Okay, goodbye. See you later on the day.
I'll send Tomato to come down with you, okay? I love you.
Bye, Mom.
Bye.
Madam. Good morning, ma'am. Oga just come on now.
Did I ask you? Mumu? Go inside and get my child ready for school. We'll take her to school today.
Madam. Which car go take carry her go because you not give me the car key.
You use the other car. The key is in the living room at the center table.
Okay. Madam Robbie, see you're looking tantalizing and a blue shoes.
My friend, open the gate for me and make sure she gets to school on time. Did you hear me?
No, I go quick. I go cut hold up. You know sir, no road well. I will cut hold up.
Open the gate for me or do you want me to fire you?
Hey.
Get going, hurry.
Tire you. Only you. Guide my biggie. Go school. Only me. Guide the house. Only me. Open the gate. Only me. Ready picking when I'm not born. I follow na born now. I follow na born now. If I born my own, I'm going to ready. Ah, Mimi. Hey. Hey. What though? No only United load this food like who they go Third World War for. Yeah? You see your uniform. Yeah? Hey now. I will clean you up. You be toilet. Yeah? Oh yeah, they jump. Hey. Ah, wow. Like say they feed me with this kind of food. I forget sense well. Yeah? Give me small. Because I say small, I been winch. Now this one you they give me. Chop now. Only you chop and finish. Yeah? And that one you give me. Now say you start be cry for food. Oh yeah, there is. Ah, boy. Enjoyment won't kill you. Now this house they be say my guy though. You not join my salary problem. Guide the house now. You don't involve. Take care of her. Clean her up. Only you.
Mimi, I don't understand though. Eh? This one you just they shake like this, like fish when they inside water. Eh? Eh? I don't understand you. Eh? Which kind of thing be this now? Eh? Hi. Oh. Be like say your papa or your mama don't come. Eh?
Madam.
What happened? Sorry.
I don't know. As he come back from school. Now yeah, he did since. He just they shake like fish when enter inside water. Eh? I even give him up to chop. He not gree chop.
Her body is so cold. Why did you allow her to sit on the ground? What is wrong with you, Cletus? Are you stupid?
Hey.
So sorry.
Madam, you don't dash me your phone.
Moron.
Wait here I do now, eh? So then I don't call me Morocco. Eh? I mean the rock when they near Azo rock. Okay. Morocco. See rock. Oh, it gonna be rock selling. And I don't get big belly. How you gonna call me rock? I mean a rock, they won't take you on the picking. Eh?
Oh. Thank you. What did the doctor say?
She has cold. You know, she was lying on the floor for a long time before I came back.
Why? You mean you saw her lying on the bed floor? When you have someone that clears those girls' house?
That fool? Please. He can barely man the gate, not to talk of doing another work like house help or nanny. Don't mind that fool.
I'm not really happy about this. I'm not.
Sweetheart, it's okay. It's our fault. We are parents. None of us was there for her.
But I thought you should be home by now.
Really? Sweetie,
You've
started again. You know the nature of my job. I'm not supposed to be home until I'm done for the day's duty. Please.
Well, maybe we would need to hire the services of another housemaid. Yes, though it was against my wish, but now that it's exigent, you just have to do it.
That would be nice. Are you going to source for one?
No. I don't have time. You always go to the office. Then, just do it. Just arrange for one, okay? Somebody has to do her, okay? Before we come back from work.
Okay, no problem. I'll do just that. Hopefully we get a nice person very soon. So can you help me get our drinks, please? I'm so tired and not remove my clothes since I came back from work. I still have to cook.
Oh, forget about the cooking. I'll get us something to eat by the time I go out, okay? Let me get the drawers.
Somebody want kill English, Teri Teri. Somebody want finish English, Teri Teri. I Teri kill English, Teri Teri. Teri don't have my English, Teri Teri. I see the visa, he don't pass here, Teri Teri. I beg you, don't your head, Teri Teri. Somebody don't speak English, Teri Teri.
Count it.
It is a 4,000 naira. Yes.
Use it to buy 2 fowl. 2,000 naira each and give it to Igboegwu. Since you've given him one before.
Mama Lingo. Mama Lingo, you've got some money. Thank you so much.
Why not trying my best? Tomorrow again, go and fight. And you will be the one to pay the money or get arrested. Anybody that you beat his or her child again, I will hand you over to the person and tell the person to deal with you whatever the person wish. Yes.
Ha! Mama, you're warning me, you're warning people also. Because I go in on my own, they're looking for my trouble. I'm giving it back.
Even if they look for your trouble, come and report to me. I am your mother. Do you hear me? Do not say I did not warn you. Teresa, I am warning you before you say your mother is a wicked woman. Do you hear me? I am warning you.
Mama, no problem, no so bad. Let me go and buy in the chicken for Igbo so that Kori one. Next time they are looking for my trouble, because I know I will pay chicken money, I will beat very well.
I'm going already. Go and get the money to settle me. Yeah? I will not die because I Teri. 4,000 naira. Money we would have used to feed in this house. We are not giving it out without thank you.
I used to
I'm not calling Teri Teri again. Sorry, I'm sorry.
I go in my phone, you calling me Teri Teri.
I'm not calling, please, I'm not calling.
I'm looking for
I'm not calling you. Please, please. Hey, please. I'm not, please, oh.
Anyhow you want it. I'm killing you today. I'm killing you. You dying.
Please.
Next time you see me, you're giving me
I'm not calling you again.
You're giving me
Please, I'm not calling you. Because,
Ay! My waist too! My waist, you know! Hey! Oh, my waist!
Hey!
No!
Oh, one man,
It's okay! It is
Please, hurry up, hurry up! Hurry up!
Oh my God, I'm finished!
Hurry up, hurry up!
Hey!
Mama!
Isn't there? What is it? Why are you shouting my name and partying like this?
It's your sister, Mama.
She has gone to fight with another person, eh?
No, Mama. Something bad has happened to her.
What's happened to my daughter?
Oh, she had an accident.
Accident?
My car.
Hey, Chimo. Come and show me. Come and show me. Come and show me. Come and show me. Hey.
how is she? She sustained any fracture in her bone. I have a friend who works at the orthopedic hospital.
No fracture. She just lucky, just a little dislocation on her ankle, which my nurse is attending to. We need to carry out X-ray on her in order for us to rule out any possibility of internal bleeding occurring in her body.
Okay, please do that immediately. Whatever it will take for her to be alright, just do it, okay? I'll put the bill. Money is not the problem, okay? How long will it take for the X-ray to be ready?
Just a couple of minutes. What about her family? Were you able to contact them?
No, but since she has regained consciousness, she will take me to her family after her treatment.
Alright, no problem. I'll get back to you. Please, just commit that time to verify.
See, Mimi, when they say make I take care of you, I just agree because I know say you be better picking. Fine girl, better picking, fine girl. Oh yeah, chop. Hey, now yeah, voila, don't come wear boba, come wear face cap, come go wear rainbow because I know say you know the hear pidgin English. If I even decide to speak French, you not go hear no only English they hear. Now then me and you go get problem. Oh. See, I open your mouth, make a feed you. Open your mouth. Ha! Which kind pikin be this now? What happen? Eat now. Is she? So you know here say your mama say he dey come.
I want to see my mommy.
See, Mimi, may I tell you true, True to God, when I dey your age, they know they give me this kind of food. My eat oh. When I dey your age, only two places my papa then they carry me go. Wakekeeping and crusade. The wakekeeping will go chop. Whether we know who die, we not know. We'll just go chop. Then the crusade, now when we don't they misbehave as you they misbehave, so they go carry us go for healing and deliverance. You don't start to eat this food, even though me I don't chop my own. My eye dey inside this your food though. My eye dey inside. Now open your mouth. See, open your mouth. Mimi, this food is sweet now. The food is sweet. Open your mouth. Which one be You be deaf and dumb. Open your mouth. You don't want to eat. See, we are from come, they're not a waste food though. They're not a waste food because even Bible talk and say if you waste food, you'll go a fire. Me, I'm not fitted because of this, your food can't go a fire. Oh yeah, eat. See this speaking of, don't tear my comrade uniform. Your mama said they come. Okay, I am there they cry. No worry. Make I help you out. You give them all this thing why you knock me, now they replace her. You knock her come out by hand and they put her by mouth. So Mimi, now let Bebe choke me up as she no want chop, so they not they waste food for where from come. Mimi, egg day. You know one chop egg. Now fried one, not cooked. You know one chop.
My daughter, can I get you a glass of water since we don't have food at home?
No, Mama, don't bother yourself. I'm so sorry for the incident. I'm sorry, please.
It was not your fault. Just an accident. Some people might not even care to stop and look at the person they hate. you took her to the hospital. Thank you very much. God bless you.
I appreciate it. My dear, I hope the pains have subsided. You'll be fine, okay? You'll be fine in a matter of days, according to the doctor. I'm so sorry. It has been, it has been, thank you. This is such a nice and quiet environment. Ma, what of your other children?
Oh, Teresa is my only child. I am just a widow.
I'm so sorry for asking.
Thanks for understanding.
I was actually on my way to the village to see my parents. It's getting late now. So I'll be coming from time to time to check. Yes, what for?
Are they paying for the accident?
No, not at all, ma. Visit and take care of Teresa here, whatever she needs, whatever she wants. I'll make her recover very fast, okay? Alright.
Thank you.
Blessing you.
Thank you.
I'm telling you.
Thank you.
Very beautiful.
You're very funny.
Sorry. God bless you. Okay.
I'll be on my way now.
Knocking me down, not you.
Oh my darling.
Sweetheart.
Oh,
You're welcome.
Tell me, who missed me? I was involved in some late night meetings.
Yeah, you said that on the phone. And you also said I shouldn't keep dealing with you.
Yeah, that's true. Because I had dinner there. How are you?
Very well, thank you.
It's very... So, where's Mimi?
She's already asleep.
So tell me, were you able to meet the maid and clearance your friends with your daughter?
No. So there's something off. Something tragic happened today.
What is it?
I knocked down something.
For real? Oh my God. Please, don't tell me.
Thank God, I rushed her to the hospital and I'm getting there. The doctor said it's just dislocation. Minor dislocation.
For goodness. So, how are you? Hope you're good.
I'm okay, I'm fine.
Oh, I'm worried, okay? Sorry. Sorry.
I'm okay, I'm fine. She's at home now. I took her back to her mother. The doctor says she'll be coming from time to time for checkup.
Okay. Oh, that's good. That's good. So maybe the issue of the maid should wait from now until the victim comes up on her feet again. Okay?
Sweetheart, there's nothing to worry about. She's fine. I told you it's just a minor dislocation. She's fine.
Is that good?
Somebody want kill English. Teri Teri. Somebody want finish English. Teri Teri. I Teri kill English. Teri Teri. Teri don't have my English. Teri Teri.
Teri? Teri. Mama, you are here.
I've been looking
for you now. I'm calling you.
I'm brushing it. I told her to make Teresa, the woman from the city is here. Yes, so she wants to see you. Please don't keep her waiting. That's a fine woman. She's a kind-hearted. Brush quick. I come in. I'm coming out to go. Wash your mouth. I'm coming.
Somebody want kill English. Teri Teri. Somebody want finish English. Teri Teri. I Teri kill English. Teri Teri. Teri don't hammer English. Teri Teri. I see the visa he don't pass here. Teri Teri. I beg you touch your head. Teri Teri. Somebody don't speak English. Teri Teri. Don't make a body sing for this one. Teri Teri.
You're welcome. You're very welcome.
Thank you very much, Teresa. I believe your mother has briefed you about my mission here.
Yes, she's telling me already, but I don't know you're coming this very day.
That's not a problem. I can wait while you go inside and get ready.
I'm going to school. You're very welcome.
My daughter, thank you very much for offering to help. Since you said you want to take my daughter to the city to live with you, God will bless you.
You're welcome.
Well, there is nothing I can say because since my daughter has decided to follow you, she's old enough to take decision. Thank you. But my sister, please, I am begging you, take care of her. She's all I've got. No other child, no husband. Please, learn to tolerate her. Please, my daughter. Teach her anything that you see that she doesn't know how to do. Help me to teach her. Please. Teri is a good girl, but sometimes I just want you to take care of her for me, please. It's okay, man. It's okay. I've heard you. You don't need to bother yourself. I'll take Teresa as my own sister. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Hey! It has stayed that I don't pray now. You can just city, but you see it. Mama, you can hear that thing. Why don't they find volcano? It's already in Okada.
Auntie, why are you like this? What are you wearing?
Auntie, you're not knowing it. Auntie, you're coming, you're looking very beautifulness. And this thing you're wearing, I have not seen it before, so can you take my own? Because I know this type, you're not seen it before. I put in everything inside. Auntie, you know this thing, you know it, I'm not funny, but you people calling it canopy. But you get to know my friend the way coming back from Lagos, he can't tell me. So now Lagos people calling it Geleu. You're looking at Geleu, I tying it to myself, everything I mixing it. City here I comments. City here I comments. You reckon it? You reckon it? I know you reckon it because you're not seeing it. Okay, I put in it as well. Mama, I'll call you. I reach it. We carry you. Where I put it? Put your bag. Okay.
Somebody want somebody want finish.
Auntie, I'm putting it. Where I sitting down. Ma, taking care of me. Taking care of me. I got it through with your damn phone. Like,
somebody don't spark it. Don't be talking this one. Here comes a jolly good fella.
Oh my darling. How are you?
What about Cletus? I didn't see him at the gate.
Oh, I asked him to go get ice cream for me. He'll soon be back.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay, darling. This is the girl I've been telling you about. Her name is Teri.
Oh! Yeah! I thought as much. Let's see. Teresa, how are you? I said, how are you?
Sweetie, my husband is talking to you.
I'm in finest.
You know what? Go to the boat and get your bag so I can take it to your room. Hurry.
I'm going to let
Is this who you brought to the house? I mean, yeah, it's true. We did the house help, but I thought you would bring home someone way better than Umoh. I asked her a simple question: how are you? And her reply to me was, I am finest.
Don't worry. Trust me, I know what I'm doing. She will adjust, okay? Don't worry. Okay. Alright, I see you eating. I see how I'm eating. Come.
All the way from village, landing Teri, shaping out Winston English, Teri Teri. All good Winston English, oh, say yes, so somebody do what out for, oops, I mean, oof, Teri no the thief, Teri no good person, Teri di kwa sharp, but behind English now, Teri go.
My dear, welcome to my house. Hi. This is your room. No, later you can keep the bag in the wardrobe.
Hi. Hey, Auntie, hi. This looks is very fine. Hey. When I was coming in from outside, everywhere every place is very beautifulness. Chai, just like you, the way you're shining like everything good like that.
Hello. I said room, not loom. Room with an R. Say it.
This loom, it's a loom with aloe. Say it.
Sweetheart, how are you? How was good today?
Fine.
I was going to come wake you up. Now meet your new auntie. Her name is Teresa. She'll be staying with us henceforth. Say hello to her.
Hello. Hello. How is you?
What did you just say?
She laughed first.
Say hello. What is say hello to my daughter.
Hello.
It's how are you, not how is you.
Jesus, stop! You see, the listening I telling Mama Lingo I must go into the city. You can open teaching me how to talk English. Hey, stop! Come back here. Yana bomb Teri Teri. You gonna bomb Teri Teri. What is that a name again? Mini. I gotta bomb Mini.
Shut up! Jeez, where did you come from? Please, you have to speak good English to my daughter. You should be the one teaching her, not the other way around. If you don't do it very well, I will fire you and get another person. I'm just helping your mother.
It has not gotten to that now. It has not gotten to that. I running from her, she running from me also. That she can't know it.
Learn very fast. I don't have all the time. Sweetheart, have you eaten?
Mini, what support? Mini, what speaking English?
Inside the love is in our house. We say English now, go confusion. Somebody went damaging.
Speaking like this.
I'll tell you what I do. You believe you know. I take it. What's about oops? I mean, steady giving English. I'm not going to we sing English. Then it go down, go down.
Till when? Till when? Thank God you heard the awful English he spoke on the way. I mean, how are we going to cope with that? I am so disappointed. I thought you made the wise choice.
Sweetheart, you know I wouldn't go for her if not go.
That makes it worse. Our first time was sitting. Our first time being in a housemaid. I mean, how are we going to cope with this first timer? A JJC?
At least she's mature. She's not some kids who will find it very difficult to adjust. Please, just give her some time. You know it's not easy to get a housemaid these days. Mothers don't like giving her their kids. Please. Just a small time. Did you hear me? Please.
It's okay. That's okay, I'll apologize. Let me just pretend that I understand everything, okay? But the truth remains, I am not comfortable. I was expecting you to be someone way better than Umoh in terms of dress sense, in all ramifications, but not this. Come on, girl.
Sweetheart, thank you for this time. Thank you very much. You're a darling. Come here. Okay. It's been a long day. Let me go in the question.
It's okay.
Thank you very much, you're a darling. Okay. Let's join in the bedroom.
All the way full of village, landing Teri, shaping out wasting English, Teri Teri. I'm gonna be singing English, say yes, somebody do what out. I mean, push, Teri no the thief, Teri no the person, Teri no my sharp, but behind English now. Teri go down, Teri I'm a English, man on a somebody want English.
Goodness! What are you doing? Do you want to burn down my house? Are you stupid?
I often eat it because the thing really go so I try to often eat it. This is how just do this.
And it's off!
Chineke, the China here. God, you're so bush. Thank you.
By the way, what were you doing?
I stay here. Now, focusing gongo. AJ Sinabundi can marry sharp. He something.
Oh, please shut up! Jeez, your English is so awful! Oh my God, I can't deal.
I know you need it. Yeah, I know that I'm not awful.
Anyway, I came here to teach you how to cook the jollof rice, but I can see you're already on it.
Auntie, reading that one, reading it. You see everything in this life you can teaching me. Man, I hear Sisi at the village. Can see where, you confirming it today. Let me cooking it for you.
Whatever. When you're done, serve the gate man. I'm sure he's hungry. Serve the dog as well. I'll be in my room.
Panke dog, wow. I can't serve the dog. I can't serve it. I cooking it finish. Because I calling you. Ki serve what the dog na can't be. You complaining. I speaking bad English. I cannot talk Igbo again. Can you can talk Bazia? So you stop talking Igbo. Mambo Igbo. So stop talking Igbo.
Here comes a very good fella. The very serious man, chief security officer, acts well for our situation.
I am a willing Bobo. I am Bobo. I am a willing Bobo. This one is not the not talk like this.
Oh, that's it.
Teri?
Jesus!
Where are these boys? Will we water this flower before I lose my flight?
Shutting it, you go. In Akwara. Wait, so you are the getting man and Madam telling me to come and give him food here. Okay?
Who? Teri, I'm supposed to take last flight to Namibia now.
What you
as a pilot
what you doing
of the CSO. You don't know the CSO?
Right it not. Right it. So you coming to the village, you come telling me all this plenty lie about you, telling me that you working in the Aso Rock and over here. Now I come in here catching you again and get money enough. Teri, right more giving me. Teri. So this is what you're doing here. You're coming to the village telling me plenty rice. All the rice you're telling me if I putting it in this bucket or manju here. The rice too much. So get man can rock where?
I CSO. See, even the last flight to Namibia, I fly Pilot 1, Pilot 1, 3, 3, 9.
All the right you writing to me in the village today. I'm going to tell him madam, they're sacking you. Korea, I reporting you.
Of the CSO.
Auntie madam.
Teri.
Auntie madam.
Hey, I don't die. Oh. Hi, CSO. How waka? Hey, all the lie when I lie for village, all the lie don't find me come. Don't find me come city. Which guy?
Oh, okay, alright. Alright, I'll see to that. Thank you very much. Yeah. Well, got in here.
Sweetheart.
Hey, babe.
Don't tell me you don't remember that today makes it exactly 7 years since we got married. Mm-hmm.
Oh, well, I remember, okay? I wanted to tell you that before you voiced it out.
Really?
Mm-hmm. And guess what?
What?
I've got a big surprise for you tonight. Trust me on that.
Really? Mm-hmm. I can't wait. You know your wife loves surprises.
Yeah? Come on, baby.
Jesus. Auntie madam, Oga, sir. Sorry I catching you people. It is not an intention because I come in to tell you here that only for me to come in here who go me so small. But you injuring Oga here already. Are you stupid? Are you a fool? How dare you? I come in to shut up!
Will you get out?
I come in to tell you.
Get out!
Idiot! Can you imagine?
Look at this girl. She has the infantry to barge into us just like that. Honey, I told you times without number. I am fed up. See, she's leaving this house first thing tomorrow morning. Period! She's leaving!
Sorry. Let me go talk to her, okay? Please. I'm sorry about this. I'm sorry.
That won't work.
I'm sorry. Let me talk to her, okay? I'm sorry, baby. I love you. For coming.
What rubbish? Can you imagine? In fact, your name is supposed to be Rhinus because you rhyme too much. You rhyme too much. Everything you were telling me before, everything you rhyme.
Auntie,
Auntie me, Teresa, why did you barge into my bedroom like that? Don't you know what is called privacy? Huh?
I'm not bragging in the bedding room. I opening it to asking you something.
Whatever reason you have, you don't have the right to barge into my bedroom, my matrimonial bedroom. Don't you ever try that again. Do you hear me?
No vexing, madam. No vexing. I not knowing you and Oga Day inside. I was very surprised as I coming in on I'm not planning it to come in like that. You needing something? I don't want my madam to vexing for me.
See Mr. and Mrs. Robinson. Oh, and here comes a jolly good fella. Up on Mr. Cletus, the very CSO, Chief Security Officer, Axwell for Kawasiation. Oh, yeah. For this house, I can tell you, not only Quincy. None of the
Robbie. Small, if you won't knock me, this thing na bone dead here, no be iron.
Shut up!
I be don't reach already. I be don't reach already. Now you knock me, come back to.
Oh, I see.
Oh, where they sleep?
I see. The house that I paid you to guard is now in Ore. Even you as a security man, now you live in Ore as well.
For dream.
Oh, I see. Come on, get for this.
Sorry, sir.
How many get? Yes, sir. Look at you.
Hi.
How are you already?
See Mr. and Mrs. Robinson. And here comes a jolly good fella. Up on Mr. Cletus, the very CSO, Chief Security Officer, Axwell for Kawasiation.
Robbie. I don't forget my name, oh. This knock when he knocked me now, don't forget my name. Cletus. Hey. Hi. Okay, Cletus who? Hey. The person they knock like this.
Somebody want to I'll see what I do. You believe in us. I tell you.
That's speaking like a cassava.
Tell you English, want English, somebody want kill English, somebody want finish.
I sending you again, okay? Okay, I sending you again. Hey. Today I'm not fighting anybody. I staying in the farm and I'm farming for my mother. I'm not fighting anybody. I sending you to arresting me. I sending you to arresting me. I'm not fighting, no.
This is Comrade CSO. Teri Teri. What do you do here now?
Kratos.
You go kaka. I be now on a farm with this.
Now you be this.
Close your leg when you talk to a comrade.
You're making me to Kujari and Maja.
Now so they greet us.
Where are you coming back from?
Hey, what do you do here now?
Eh? I'm coming to farm. No. This is my papa farm. From ever I go now, we are getting it all over.
Ah, you want change your color? Make you come be like me when I go Fourth World War? Eh? See, Teri. Tell me how many people go fit clear all this farm.
You're making me laughing. Talking easy, the very easy. Man, doing it to be able to. Because if I bring in people to come and clearing this farm, I paying them money. Teri, I know work. Teri, I know get money. How I getting money to pay them?
Just calculate, check, and tell me how many people go fit clear all this place. How many people?
Calculation no be the problem. It's paying the money we have been to.
I know they follow me, they argue. How many people?
Okay. Calculate because the land is big. In totally, four peoples.
Only 4?
Yes, 4 peoples is okay.
Oh, and my boys just drop me now with my healers. I can't say maybe they go back because bad road there. Eh? Not be Moses and Shukudi for follow you, they do this work, but leave them.
You're getting boys and motor.
How much do they pay workers for village here? How much?
They're paying per day, you know. Working one day, you're paying one person 2,000 naira.
2,000 naira. That not be money now. That not be money. You say you need 3 people. 4. Make we make them 5. Make it be round
5 people?
Yes. And I don't want to pay them 2,000 no. Make them for take their church mind. They do this work. My comrade, they talk so.
How much I pay you now?
I won't pay them double. See, I go pay them 4,000. Eh? Double. So that they go take their church mind, do this work well.
You're bringing it.
I don't want to make they do bad work. They go clear everywhere. So far they not kill the cassava and the yam.
Okay, see, make I telling you something. If it were me, as you see me so, I like to talk and do. I hate it if somebody coming, he talking. Or when he go, the person will run away. I told him that one. You're making a promise right now. You may go now. I go in and calling farmers to come do the job for me.
Now, make her shock you. Even though you not be electric, make her shock you. You see that house where they build? Now me give her out to contractor because of kidnappers.
Eh?
They not carry me.
Your personality house?
To know the kind of money when I don't make.
Hey, Jesus!
And you see that house? I won't dash them out. Not be saying I won't stay.
Eh?
Yes.
Hey. This God that is doing everything for you.
So 16,000. I mean 15,000. Not be anything. In fact,
I know it's chicken changing now.
Put 1,000 on top for pure water.
Eh?
For the workers. So that they go take their church mind to do this work.
This city good in for your body. Oh. So you're going city. You're making this kind of money, building this kind of big house.
Not take me play. Call them now.
You're giving me money.
CSO! Command! Presidential! When I give order, nobody they follow me argue. Nobody. Carry your things. Where would they go? I say, now me go pay.
You're bringing it.
Carry your things.
God blessing you more and more. For me, I go in, I current them.
See, now I they go bank. Ma go bring the money. Eh? I go bring a corgi for house.
You're coming my house.
Yes.
You know in the place.
Yes.
Because now you're getting money. Maybe brain is resetting. You're not remembering.
No.
So, not work here again, no.
Hi! This life is getting as EBO. So Kratos of yesterday, now we're getting big money. He paying 15,000 for workers that is coming to working for me. Kratos is getting this cat. Turn down, fire anybody that is saying that I'm not going to the city. So searching my greener pasture. Turn down, fire in that. Hey, CSO! Hey, Kratos! Kratos!
Daddy,
Kratos, if you are coming here to telling me lie, I cannot take him it. Maka yesterday you come to the farm, you are sending somebody to bring him money, and they go from Anya, and you are coming here to telling me lie again. What lie are you trying to tell me?
Teri, me tell you lie. How? If I talk true, devil dey shock. Not be go come. I'm not saying you go ask person when go ask another person when go ask me. If I tell you anything, when be true, devil dey shock. The money when I put for bank, me. CSO, let's.
What did I happen?
Not be say loss because the money too much to loss.
Okay.
The queue too much. Queue too much. Now say make I go ATM.
Queue?
Yes.
You get sugar inside the money?
No! Line up of people.
Okay, they are lining.
Yes! Now say make I go ATM. Go collect the one when I still keep for ATM. Now me say people don't.
Wait, if you are telling me this thing, you are telling me you go to explaining it very well to me. ATM is dashing money. MTN, they're dashing money. You're going MTN collecting money.
Forget say you know go code. See, ATM na if Q dey inside bank, you get one place when I say make they keep money for me. Make I don't go that area, go collect. Come be say people see food there. I don't provoke. I won't close that account. I won't shut her down.
Shutting it down, not Oruben goes that way. Cooling down your temperament. Go cooling it down.
Let's go get 40 million.
Jesus! I telling my mother say I'm missing something on the camera. I needed to go to that city and making more money like you. In a pattern of money. Or someone had 40 million. Only you getting it. Hi.
No. See, you don't need to rush on CTO because
Maka, why?
No. It take me very long time to reach where I reach. So if you see me, I suffer so take my life can't remain one bar. Come be like say one day blink low battery. And because I don't near to die. Now contain hammer. So not be all this one. Now make I say make you relax. I go just bring money come. I don't make am. I don't hammer. So cool down. Money not be the problem. You see that work? I go pay. But I want make you just reduce. Make people come off for line. I know they like, make people come, they look me where I don't go collect money.
Because today I supposed I'd go in farm. Go continue the work. But because you say you're coming bringing money to give people that are doing the work, that's why I no go in. If you are not bringing money, I go in now.
No. No. If I go bring money, except say you want make I bring 20 million, make it for house.
I shouting it and over here. What the risky? Ha! Oh, no problem. So when you bring in the money already?
I don't tell my account officer when open the account say call me once people reduce for line. So once he call me, I will go collect the one when you need, when you go use this week, next week, and in 2 weeks time. Because I don't want to go back to that bank again. They make me vex. I want to shut the account. I want to close am.
Shutting it not, Biko. Shutting it not.
And I be say you go to open eye like me and steady so they watch the money.
Okay, so what? See, you coming and going. I getting things to do inside.
No problem. So once money don't enter my hand, I will call you. Yes.
Settle it down, not because. Do you mind? Kratos, there you go. Bring in the money for me. Oh, I try to come out. You know go.
Yeah.
Bring in it. Hey, you making money.
No problem.
Bring it.
Yeah, no problem.
The very CSO, Chief Security Officer, acts well for conversation.
Now close your eye.
I'm closing it. Why?
If you don't close your eye, you go spoil everything. No, just close your eye.
Closing it already.
Now open them. If you open them, you will spoil them. If you open them, you will spoil them. Oh yeah, now open your eye. Open them. Wait till you see.
I see wristwatch watch.
Not be anyhow watch be that. This na CSO send president daughter message. Now be this. See, make I tell you, now from Jerusalem, now they buy after Dubai. When you they hear say Jesus go Jerusalem, now Dubai, now Jesus pass, they enter Jerusalem. Teri Teri, see, you see this place, make I show you. So, if you press up, all this thing move. Just know say something won't happen to you tomorrow. You're not gonna come out for house again.
Banking to sendering watch.
I they guide you.
I reckon it too. You're giving me.
You don't like her. Make her return her. Hey, no. You don't bath.
I batting taking.
No. Put them back. You will need to bath before you go wear them. Put them back.
Before I wearing it?
Yes.
Why?
You go spoil them. Put them back. Or wait. You get wait for see my shirt.
Come what's in your hand? Touching me not, oh. If it is this thing again, it is not availability. If it is because of this thing again, it is not availability. In fact, taking it at Choromo. Taking your watch at Choromo.
Wait. See, I need to check your blood. Whether I go walk with the watch. It will walk with O negative 2. As I check now waiting you get.
Taking my toe hand and checking it.
O negative 2. Now you get. Now wait till they check.
You're working already on
Yes.
Oh yeah. So bad,
You like her?
Teresa!
Running, my mother coming running, no see so.
Teri!
Chineke neme ma. Ekere dirigi onyoma. Chineke neme ma. Ibera. Ekere dirigi onyoma. Send down fire. Send down fire, no fire. Nde kwensu chuku fire. Teresa. Mama,
I thought I was hearing an argument.
I know, Mama, I was in the spirit. Munandi could not communicate. What I go? Send down fire. Send down fire.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm giving a pencil to run it. Fire.
Teri, I. Teri,
Fire.
Somebody want English. Somebody want finish English.
Teri, you know, the way when I take the plan, I no go I can't carry you go America. You don't know anything about you get any man not carry you go designers. If I carry you go designers, if he had you know any song where they rain for city.
Hey, you get one I know. That one anyway they are doing the burial here. They are praying it or somebody getting married. They are praying it already. Ifere kite mgbe ifere mfe, achi kukuru achara gị wet mgbe ifere mfe, achi koro baby go down, achi kuchikuru achara gị wet mgbe ifere mfe, achi ngwa kọrọ m ji ka m kọrọ gị ede, achi koro Christmas bụ nye ọrịa ego, achi koro ọya go down.
Teri Teri!
They are being very hard. You're not hearing it. That means
Teri Teri. No, that one follow, but you get the one when they rain now. Even the time when I go US, when I they hang out with people like Tupac Shakur, Slow Diggy, Boys to Men.
You're going places already.
Men on Black, Now them come feature this guy now for Nigeria. Now in song they read now, Nosadebe Pikin, Nosadebe write the song, but now he can't release the song go. Baby Panam. I like you wahala. Baby Panam.
I like you wahala not.
No, the boy because say in Papa Nosadebe na.
Okay, you dey go say? You dey pass my.
You can't say like you wahala. Anywhere you they go, baby Panam. And now you get as they dance up. They call and dab. You go do it like this. Baby Panam. Oh, anything you want to do. Oh yeah, do it. Baby Panam. Oh yeah, do it.
Why I like you city because every day new things is coming out.
Do it best.
You let me tell you one thing you never know about Teri Teri. Now you're teaching me the type of baby Panam.
Ah, Teri Teri.
I dabbing it, I fall in love.
Come, Teri. You not tell me say you be goalkeeper.
I want to dabbing it.
Hey, Melody's at mom now. Which one they do they go grand? Now you play the music. Oh yeah, do them again. I get you wahala, baby Panam. Anywhere you they go, I go follow you go, baby Panam.
Anywhere you go, I go follow you they go, baby Panam.
Teri Teri oh.
Mama, you calling me fighter, I not complaining. Now you calling me thief, I not taking it. Because since you burning me for this house, I not tipping anybody.
Are you not a thief? Who gave you money to buy wristwatch? I want to know. So all my money that has been missing in this house, you are responsible, eh?
Hey. I did not tipping your money, Kratos buy it for me. He buying it for me. He said when the president's daughter is going to see Jesus in Jerusalem, he giving her money to buy it for me.
Hey!
Teresa, I thought you were only a fighter. Now I know that you have degenerated to all kinds of evil.
You not lie, you steal, you fight.
Mama, I still not. Calling me thief is not a good thing. I did not theft that watch. I did not theft it. He buying it for me. I know because the
Shut up, your mouth. Are you really my daughter? Or did they exchange you in the hospital? I am so confused. Cha. Who did you inherit it from? Is it me, your mother? Or your innocent late father? Teri. Now go and call the places for me.
Yes. Prove it if you know that it's Kratos that gave you money to buy this watch.
I am going to go and call in Kratos, Mama. If I call in Kratos and Kratos is coming here to giving you the testify that he is the one that buying it for me, Mama, you got so sorry because I hated it when you put in something for my head and I not even dancing. You got so sorry, Mama.
What kind of a child is this, God?
The very CSO, Chief Security Officer.
Kratos! I carry you, you are having a bunty. I shouting pray. You are having a bunty.
Teri. Why you they provoke like say you be hot water? They won't use you make a bath.
There is an urgentment. Oh. You needn't to come into my house. Because that watch that you going and buying for me, my mother's now, I tipping somebody's money to buy it.
Who? Your mama dey provoke for the watch. Ah! Your mama know wetin there. Hey! Now you see your mama don't they read Bible before they born us. You know say when they tell you say they buy that wristwatch for Jerusalem, you not believe. Now after Dubai, you dey enter Jerusalem. Now where Jesus pass? So your mama go don see am for Bible. That watch there. Oh, now that one nine they provoke you so.
That's why she's accusing me that I tiffin people money. As you see me, Teri Teri, I not tiffin. Since my mother born me, I not tiffin, and there is nothing that can make me to tiffin people thing.
Oh, yeah, cool down. Now CSO comrade. Now I buy and give you. Not fear.
Coming to explain it to my mother, because now already she's calling me a thief and the other man.
Cool down. Calm down. Eh? See. Honorary watch. Una don dey quarrel for una house. If you see the goose when they come, when I don order, from Bristol Inputs. Bristol Inputs, they after US. They carry una goose come, you and your mother own.
Because it has do. The one you are bringing before is causing too much problem, and you are trying to bring in another one. Man, man, there to defending the one you bringing before. You can come and explaining to my mother before she calling me thief because I broke my own shoe.
No, just cool down. See, you know say.
To explaining to her.
When I go geography, the things when I buy come, I never even bring them come. You they complain. No worry, just they go. I go come in the house, come tell your mama.
If you like, you know him, Papa Joe. That one, I brought my consignment. Coming to explain to my mother.
The very CSO, Chief Security Officer.
Not even that you lying to me. You lying to me, biggie Ryan. That is what you telling me. Telling me you working with the president. Say, president, you sending president's daughter to go and buy me something. I don't know you're here doing getting mad. Hey. But it is alright. It is alright. So about this house, I go stay in here with you. Come on, I go chief here. All the rhyme you're writing to me in the village. I go writing my own back. Hi, Kratos, you can Ryan. Hi.
Have this. Are you looking at it? It's for you. Your new uniform.
I starting school?
No. It's what you'll be wearing in this house from henceforth, instead of this rag you wear in my house. And your hair, I'll give you money to make your hair. I have an allergy for dirt. You need to look good. Look class. You see the way I look? You see everywhere, everything in this house is very clean and classy. I want you to be tush.
My mother is burning me from the womb. I cannot be tissue. Telling me I become tissue. That's one other opposite. I cannot be tissue.
Stop it! I'm still talking, and nobody said something or anything about tissue here.
You're talking.
I mean, you need to be neat, you need to be classy because you cook my meal, you give me food to eat and my child, my entire family. So you need to be very neat.
I'm getting it now.
So you start wearing this immediately. Remove this rag you're putting on. Okay. And one more thing. You address me as Mrs. Robinson.
Yes, Mrs. Robinsons.
Are you alright? Was that what I said? I said Mrs. Robinson. And my husband, Mr. Robinson. Am I clear?
You talking it
Now I'm talking it back. Mrs. Robinson's.
You're very stupid.
Wearing this, because I'm wearing this, you get into this place. I'm starting school. I'm wearing this, I'm working in this house.
Somebody want damage English. Somebody want give English epilepsy. I'll see what I do. You bring it up, I take it. Also for oops. I do. Teri give English. Upper control. We sing English.
Hey, Teri. Teresa.
Mr. and Mrs. Robinson.
Okay, morning. Yeah, how are you? Hello.
See, what do you think?
Wow. She looks good. How did you do that?
I told you. Don't trust her. Classic one. I told you I was going to package.
That's not good. But, why is that twine on her leg? What's it doing there?
Oh my gosh. This girl is so bush. Sweetie, she's so bush. Please get that. I'm tired, please. I know for the leg. I'm blinking it there.
What's that?
Now light on your neck.
Oh! Wonders never end.
Alright,
Mr. and Mrs. Robinson's. This one, you people are renting out. I wouldn't want you in another house water, so I'm not knowing what I will prepare for you. I should making it ufongu or yam or making it beans. I don't know what you want to do in another.
Okay, prepare porridge yam with dried fish. Plenty of fish.
Okay? Doing very well.
Lettuce, sir, get the gate.
Very spicy.
Auntie, your beautifulness.
Take
it now. Okay, now. Okay, you are niceness.
Thank you.
Somebody want damage. Somebody want give English epilepsy. I'll see what I do. You bring it up, I take it.
Teri.
hurry me not, Onyala. Now I know why they should look fine more than in the village because of the rank of love they are giving you, making you to come out.
Yeah. All of us for our city. That's all our love be. That's all of us get love. Eh? I get them.
You're getting this kind of love.
This thing no matter I'm giving you like your own. I removing it.
Don't lose that thing though. Before you go demote yourself.
Tap it, John. Okay?
If I keep you quiet, you write another ride for me.
Inside the Robinson house, we sing English in a good to go. Confusion in a one somebody.
Auntie, can I ask you a favor?
Asking it. What? Hey, your papa gave you my kid.
What did you say?
Oh my God, you're saying you wanting to ask him something.
Auntie, can you please follow me to my car and meet some of my friends? And since you are close to save me, they are meet some of my friends. So, what do you think?
Because if you're asking me, I would want him to go into your school to meeting your teacher. My neighbors will know you. If I speak in English, they're laughing you, and I don't want him to be laughing you like that. So what I would want him to give.
Exactly.
Oh my God, I'm not going again. Please, don't tell me to your mother.
Inside the Robinson house, we sing English in a good to go. Confusion in a one somebody want damage English. Somebody want give English epilepsy. I see what I do. You bring it up, I take it. Also, oops, I mean, oof. Then you give English, uppercut. We sing English, man. Then you go down.
Where's my car washed? Till this time. Cletus! Where is this fool? Cletus! Cletus!
Madam! Huh? Madam!
Do you know you're very stupid?
No, till yesterday when you tell me.
Good morning, ma. Why is my car washed till this time when you know I'm so busy?
Oh, no. Hey, madam, see, Hey, I washed this car 2 times. I rinsed am 2 times. I couldn't even tell myself that they waste water. I don't know say na for dream. I don't know say na for dream I dey wash this motor. I don't know say na for dream.
Is this what my husband is paying for? Just a moment.
Hey, madam, me. I not be Mohawk. I know that foul. The foul not well. I not be Mohawk. And now this thing they make me dey.
Hey, shush it. Get my car washed this minute or I will make you lose your job.
Hey! Madam, I beg, I go wash the car now, But I don't want to lose my job, I beg. See, madam, they say he get one thing when go come this country. He name na recession. I'm hungry go there, and it be like say our village he go first come before he go come.
2 minutes. 2 minutes.
Okay.
Here comes a jolly good fella. The very CSO, Chief Security Officer, Axwell for
recession.
For this house, why they tell you, not only Queen's Inguri, none of
When I wash for drink, they not be come out for real life. Now I will lose my work.
Hey, madam! This is Robin. I don't want that thing.
to communicate in our life. Waiting again, I go do. Anything I do now, I don't know what thing I go do again. Teri, oh, 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 oh. Somebody want kill. Somebody want finish. Teri killing delicious. Teri don't have my English. I see the missile don't pass. I bet you touch your head. Somebody don't spark it.
Mom.
Yes, love.
I don't like my new auntie.
Sweetie, why did you say that?
Because she hardly talks to me. And when she does, she speaks vernacular. And Mom, I don't understand vernacular.
Oh, my love. I'm so sorry about that, okay? Just give her a little time. Just be patient with her. She will change. Moreover, Mommy will talk to her when Mommy comes back, okay?
Okay.
Okay, you try and be a good girl.
Okay, Mom. Mom, we are almost at our school.
Yeah!
Pouring inside and Susie let me pouring it in my belly now. Okay, man, tanto pouring inside here.
Can you imagine? My water that you served me and you drink it in my presence?
Sorry, Mr. and Mrs. Lovinsons.
Oh God. What kind of problem is this? By the way, what took you so long?
Oga, of the Igboegwu. You see that stove the stubborn because I climbed to onion it, before I managing to onion it. So it is the stove that is refusing to on.
Stove? What are you talking about?
Stove I cooking with, you know.
There is no stove in this house except you are referring to the gas cooker.
Yes, the gas cookeries. It is the thing that is giving me problem. Let me tell you something. I have a very, very stupid net. All the very, very stupidity. Gas cookeries. Because I own it. Or wish you have to call madam or call her telling how. Because when she coming now, or chocolate she pepper soup, there is no stove.
Oh God. What kind of crap is this? Eh? I don't blame you. I blame my wife for bringing you to this house. What's that awful smell? Have you had your bath?
I bath no sense now. I waking up, I taking my bath to suppose, but when the house are nature.
You stink.
Zinc.
You're smelling.
Don't talk in it though. Don't talk in it.
Stop! Get back!
You see? I'm not smelling because if I smell you cannot come in so. I'm not smelling. I waking up, I back in those go. Teri Teri not smelling. Because Mr. and Mrs. Robinson, sir, I'm not smelling.
Perhaps I will ask my wife to get you a roll up. That's yourself.
Inside the Robinson house.
Okay.
We see the confusion, I go out to go for confusion. Somebody want damage English. Somebody want give English. I'll see what I do. You bring it.
You talking tissue rolling, I bringing it. It's what for.
Oh my God. Oh my.
You not wanting it.
It's not your fault. It's my wife's fault for bringing someone like you into my house. You served me breakfast. I just can't take it. I have salad here. You went into the toilet and got me tissue paper.
You asking, I bring him.
Will you get out? Come on, get out from here! Out!
Sorry, Mr. and Mrs. Slow.
So you eating? You looking the food, not eating it. Or not so. And then they go in. Not so. It is very sweet. It's it. When it comes to hand station, I know it. Coming from village. Testing it. Watch them, yeah. Cooking it very well for me. Eating it. Sleeping. This time, Mr. Robinsons. I'm not understanding this. I'm not understanding it. Madam Onibu, Oga Onibu, they're telling me not to speak in Igbo. Not on a I come in here, I suffer it myself. I speak in English. Yeah, to Juro Haho. My madam is a beautiful nurse somebody and don't with this good. If not, I for resignation. Never no, because this is not how to work. Imagine. My telling me now, I baffing. He asking me, you baffing? Huh, awful. That I hearing in this house. Maybe I resignation. Maybe I'm not working again.
Somebody want finish English. I tell you what I English. Teri don't have my English.
Teri?
What are you doing here? You're coming here, Makadena.
Teri, this one your blood just dey hot like say they won't take you to make a bar.
You're coming inside this house, so you're talking good English because Madam Echigo one and not Chorokwa pidgin, you speaking pidgin and Bobana. Is it that you're talking English or you're jabbing a gate?
Oh, Teri, I say make I even ask you, how you and Oga Robi and the wife did they do this quiz English? Everybody keep it.
Because shutting it can move here. See, if not that now, Madam Mugogunega, your name was supposed to be Rainusu. Your name was supposed to be Rainusu because you're writing too much. It's a village. Now I come in here with differentness. When you're asking about if I'm talking English, I'm talking it very well here. Because when you meet me in the village, is it not English I'm talking with you? I'm talking Igbo with you. Not English I'm speaking for you.
Wait.
The same English I'm speaking in village, I'm speaking for Mr. Robinson and Madam Robinson.
See, Teri, you know they forget something. Something when you happen for village, you don't carry and come city again. No the verse. See, I just make a gun check. When
you're writing too much.
I go see something put for my system. Person don't they go. My ancestors they call me. They don't they do me like this. If I'm not push up, now go a day.
See, if you know what is good for you, because go and answer it their ancestors. Check your ancestors because you writing too much. All the salute I saluting you in the village. It's some CSO. Hey, I suffering myself. I saluting you only for me to come there without another thing. Now you're telling me to give me. See that opo in your belly. Going to your gate. Leaving this place, because if something missing here, Madam, I'm catching you responsibility.
No.
If something missing here, Madam, I'm catching you responsibility.
See, Teri, I don't do this house since something not a loss.
You're not there in here. You're there in gate. You're not there inside here. You're there in gate.
You bring something for me.
You go in your gate.
I beg.
Rhinos can ride.
I beg.
Because Seba for awful. You are awful. Talking it like Madam and Doga. Awful. Allah can ride.
Aunt Teresa, did I tell you what's happening in school? Four boys were playing in our class and throwing stones at each other. Then one of them threw stones at our window and it shattered to the ground. My teacher called the boys and punished them and asked them to come with their parents tomorrow. Auntie, are you listening to me? And so why do you like keeping quiet each time I ask you questions?
You're not understanding that each time you asking me question me, it is a scattering in my heart because the good small children like you can speak in it big English. But no, okay, I cannot speak in it like you because I'm not going to school. Because when my mother telling me to go into school, I'm not taking it seriously. I see you going the disadvantagement.
It's okay. Stop crying. I'll teach you how to speak, okay? Auntie, I'm coming. Stop crying. I'm coming.
If I mean it, for going to school that time. Now, this small picking is overshadowing me with Oyibo.
All the way from village, landing Teri, shaping out Winston English, Teri Teri. Aburu Winston English, say yes, somebody do what out for. Oops, I mean, Kufu, Teri. Teri no the thief, Teri no good person. Teri di kwa sharp, but behind English now. Teri go down, Ukulota, Ukurogan, Teri am a hungry man on a somebody want kill English, Teri Teri. Somebody want finish English, Teri Teri. I Teri slaughter English, Teri Teri. Teri don't hammer English, Teri Teri. I see the missile don't pass here.